Saturday afternoon lunch shift. We got our first order. Chipotle, 2.2 miles. We're going to Sunset Chipotle. Whoa, this bag again, guys. This bag is so heavy. I should carry one of these fucking scales. Oh my God. It's like 2 sodas and 2 bowls. Hi Dottie, it's your food. I'm here. Thank you. Awesome, it's okay. No rush, no rush. Get it from the bottom. It's very heavy, okay? Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. First order from the house to the restaurant to the customer with the rubber bands on. 1840, 2.5 miles. Good start. Oh, we got a perfect double here. We got this WeHo tie, which is like 2 blocks from the drop off to whatever the hell is in the box right now. I don't even remember what it is already. Bad short-term memory. These plates should be ready. They're very good. 3 items. I looked at it. I wanted to make sure it was like Yutong. What a name. Hi guys. I'm gonna take Yutong, okay? Yeah. Thank you. All right, we got our coffee drop off. Not coffee, but I don't even remember what's in there. We got our first drop off. There is a code. Check it out, guys. I got the big reveal on my new lock. I don't know if I can lock it to this, but the thing is about this big lock is it gives me more flexibility in where I can lock it. Look at this fucking thing. I got a real, I think they call this a forget about it type lock. I don't really love it because it's got the key. I never liked the locks with the keys before, but I want to use it now, practice with it. I want to go inside, and man, look at all that extra space. It helps a lot. Come on. There we go. All right, pretty easy. All right, stairs, let's go. Hi, baby. Oh my God, you're scared. I know, relax, buddy, relax. I know. What's up, cutie? It's okay, hi guys. Where's 101? Right there, I know? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Dogs, get away from this food. I love the babies. Oh shit, I think he said don't knock. Oh, you guys are waking them up anyhow. Alrighty. DoorDash at your door, period. Sorry about knocking, the dogs threw me off. Fine, nobody stole the scooter with the Kryptonite lock on it. That's good. Now we gotta deliver this to, whoa, very far south in Alta Vista. This is gonna be a shitty ride. This order was too far, but only consolation is I think the customer is right here. Hey there, are you my Uber customer, 163? Alrighty, fantastic. Thanks for meeting me outside. They're getting cheap on bags. Thank you, sir. You too. Now we got $8.50, 1.8 mile Tatsu ramen. Let's hope they're not too big.
Even pretending to care, but I tell a bitch I'm Mary of Shabir. Face of my genital area, the original Richard Ramirez. Why the fake this kid? I never knew why.
I have Pretham R, Pretham with the P for Uber.
Got it.
Beautiful, thank you. See you next time, guys. You too. The customer supposedly meeting me outside. Let's see what's going on. Hi, it's your food. I'm right in front of your door. How you doing, man? Enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Under 1 mile Blue Jam Cafe order for like $9. Let's go get that. Let's turn off the DoorDash app. Decline, no Chick-fil-A. Hi, it's okay. Jonathan, I see it right there for Uber in the back. Beautiful.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Customer says feel free to hang it over the gate. So here we go. Hanging it. Take a photo. How you doing?
How are you?
Here you go, Alexis.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Thank you. We've made $41 in 90 minutes. It feels like it's kind of slow, but it's still early. We got a lot of juice left. What a great order. 0.4 miles, $11.50 Chipotle. Thanks, guys. Hi, it's your Uber. I'm right at your front door. Thank you. Alrighty, man. Enjoy. We love those Mexican Cokes. A little order like that where you make like 11 plus bucks in like 5 minutes. Gotta like that. Okay, we got a $10 order for Jersey Mike's. It's 2.6 miles. It's a little far, but we are slow, so we might as well do it. What's up, guys? Yeah. It's just us in the air conditioning. What's good? Not much. Busy. I have Jason for Uber. Good day. Thank you. I'll see you later, guys. Thanks, Jason. Enjoy, bro. You too.
Harper Avenue toward West Sunset Boulevard.
All right, we got a 1.6 mile, $7.50 Zanku chicken. Let's make sure it's not for too many items and most likely go get it.
But yeah, I can tell you all right. But he's on the security
I saw him put out a couple. None of them are Dairon.
No.
3-4 minutes. Why did you do that to me, man? He told me a minute, and then I waited a minute, and he told me 4 minutes. So goodbye. We're at $72 in an hour and 43 minutes. It's funny. We're doing really good, but I'm so spoiled with my high rate. It feels like I'm sitting around too much. Come on, orders. Let's go. Is that Vias? I got it. Thank you. All right, I've been to this place before. The front gate's open. We're just gonna pull right in. Let's try to stay on the scooter, do like a little trick here. Yeah, very cool. Did it. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, hey, thanks.
Now we got a beautiful $11.50 Uber order to go pick up from Kung Pao Bistro.
Time and space, she's a silver lining, climbing on my desire, and I go crazy.
Hi, I have John M for Uber.
John, yep. It's
Oh, beautiful.
right here. Two bags.
Both of them? Okay, thank you. Hi, first time at this place. We're picking up some lobster. Cousin's Maine Lobster, Bella. Hi guys. I got Bella for Uber. Bella?
There you go,
Thank
sir.
you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, we're in. We're delivering the lobster. Nice big order. $6.45 we're looking for. This is a meet at the door customer, and of course there's nobody out here, but I'm sure we'll find them. Hi Michelle, it's your Uber, I'm here. Hi Michelle.
Hello.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, thank you. You too. All right, we're at almost exactly $100, and we've been out here for 3 hours. Good rate. Thank you. Thank you. $9.50, 1.5 mile, Kung Pao Bistro. Not our first time here today. Let's see if they're ready. Max.
The right turn on Santa Monica Boulevard, then pick up.
Hi, this time I have Max for Uber.
Yep, that's
Thank
one.
you. Thank you. Enjoy. All right, now we got like an $8 Hoy's walk order. Hoy's walk order. We're doing pretty good. We're probably about 120. Hi guys, how are you? Good, it's good to see you. I have Iori.
Oh, the Uber Eats, right?
Yeah.
Okay. A couple more minutes.
No problem. No problem. Boarding place, LA Dog Works. I've never been here before. I never boarded my dogs in my life. I've heard some horror stories about what can happen.
Alright.
Hang on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You too. All right, worked about 4 hours. Obviously, we're picking up some pizza. I kind of promised this guy in the corner I would give him $1, so let me give it to him. Here you go, bud.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, man, good luck. See you later.
Thank you. Tell me what in the fuck did you take? You little green looking boy.
There's that. We did about 125 bucks. We were on the road for 4 hours, 20 minutes. Some of that was picking up the pizza. Figure 4 hours, but we did do 30 miles. Guys, I'm Yogi Steve. This is ESA, the Electric Scooter Academy. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you tomorrow for Sunday, another end of the week wrap-up work day.